My name is Isabella Santoyani. I graduated from Our Lady of Sorrows and came to Notre Dame in 2019.
My name is Ella Babwin. I graduated from Holy Cross Elementary and came to Notre Dame in 2021.
To me, Notre Dame is a tight-knit community of past, present, and future jugglers. I came to Notre Dame to continue the legacy of my family attending this school. My mom and numerous family members had continuously talked about their years at Notre Dame, and when sharing their stories with me, the expressions on their faces exemplified pure joy. Notre Dame offers a wide range of activities available to all students, ranging from athletics to arts and everything in between.
Some of the clubs at Notre Dame are the following: Debate, Outdoor, Yearbook, Care Collective, Badminton, Art, ND Observer, Social, Ministry, Student Council, and Book Club. The best part, at Notre Dame, everyone is welcome to join any of these clubs. My favorite club is Book Club. I enjoyed Book Club because it gathered people who shared common hobbies. We shared and recommended different books for everyone to read.
From joining these clubs at Notre Dame, students can expect to experience a deeper connection within the community run around our school. Being in Student Council and acting as co-president, it has allowed me to run various events such as food drives, fundraisers, and clothing drives. We do these drives around the holiday season, supporting families in difficult times.
After volunteering at Doors Open, where you make sandwiches and meals for the homeless, I have learned that it is important to help those less fortunate than us. It is great to help my community in any way possible. Notre Dame to me is a community filled with positivity. My mom and sister having roots here, I look forward to experiencing firsthand all the good things they have told me. The teachers and coaches always support you and help you become the best version of yourself. At Notre Dame, we want the best for each other, helping those around us.